All right, Jake Rochon here, Brantford Honda. Today, I just want to go over properly cleaning your windshield off in the winter months. A lot of the time, clients will come in, they'll have nicks and chips around these rubber seals and moldings around the glass. And I get it, you know, you're out there in the morning and it's cold, there's a big chunk of ice on your car, you're frustrated, you got to go to work and you're just like beating on this thing, right? So yeah, I just want to go over, make sure that you're scraping away from the seals and across, not on them. You want to make sure that you're cleaning underneath your windshield wipers properly. Make sure you get those ice chunks out so that it actually clears the window for you after you start driving. And another good tip is to just simply let the car warm up for about 15 minutes before you come on out and hack away at this, because it's going to warm it up from the inside. It's going to peel off a lot easier. You'll avoid damaging the seals and the moldings around the glass, and you know, it'll look better all around. So you know, just take your time with it, make sure it's warmed up good. Things are a lot easier that way. But again, be very careful with these because they are fragile. All right, so don't open your hood to strangers. See you next time.